You're busy juggling a full-time job, kids, and everything else that life throws at you. You want to make money online, but where do you even begin when you've got no time? If you're a parent with a 9-to-5 job and you want to start an online business but don't know where to start, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how you can do it in the simplest way possible. My name is Markus Naves, and I get it. I've been there. And guess what? There's hope. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow to start making money online. You don't need to spend all day working either. In fact, there's simple ways you can get started without much effort at all. And you can do it in your spare time. Whether you're interested in affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, or digital products, there's something that's out there for you. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert or spend years learning everything. So grab a seat, because in the next few minutes, I'll break down how you, yes you, the busy parent, can jumpstart an online business, make passive income, and start seeing results without sacrificing your time. Now here's the thing, starting an online business sounds great, right? But when you're already stretched too thin, it feels impossible. How do you find time for a side hustle when you've got work, kids, meal prep, laundry, and probably a million other things to do on your to-do list? And if you've tried before, maybe you've been overwhelmed by all of the options out there. You've seen people talking about affiliate marketing, YouTube channels, digital products, but you're left wondering, what is the easiest path to actually make money while balancing everything else? That's the exact challenge we're facing. You want to make passive income, but don't have the hours to dedicate to learning complicated strategies. It feels like there's no way around it, but I'm going to prove to you that there is. All right, let's break this down. I want to walk you through 3 simple ways you can start an online business that doesn't require a ton of time or experience. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and selling digital products. These 3 strategies are perfect for busy parents who want to dip their toes into the world of online business without having to quit their day jobs. Number 1, affiliate marketing, the power of promoting products you love. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably the easiest and quickest way to get started. It's simple. You promote someone else's product, and when people buy through your link, you earn a commission. No product creation, no customer service, just the power of recommendation. Now, you don't need to go out and find some complex products. Start with things you already use and love. For example, let's say you use a specific type of kitchen gadget, a fitness program, or even the software tools that help you stay organized. These are all products you can recommend to others and make money from. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Number 1, choose a niche. Pick something you're interested in, whether it's health, home improvement, tech, software tools, parenting, etc. Number 2, find affiliate programs. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale have thousands of products you can promote. Number 3, create simple content. You can write blog posts, post on social media, or even create simple YouTube videos where you recommend the products. It doesn't have to be complicated. You can start making money right away by sharing the products you already trust with others. And because you're working with established brands, you don't need to worry about customer service or returns. Just focus on getting people to click your affiliate links and watch the commission roll in. Path number 2, YouTube automation. Create passive income with minimal effort. Next, let's dive into YouTube automation. YouTube isn't just for the people who want to be influencers. It's a huge platform where you can make passive income and don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. How can you get started with YouTube automation? Number 1, pick your niche. Focus on something that interests you and that you're already passionate about. Parenting tips, tech reviews, cooking, do-it-yourself crafts are all popular topics. Number 2, create simple videos. You can automate a lot of your content. Use stock footage, voiceovers, or even simple slideshows to create valuable content without a lot of time investment. Number 3, monetize. Once your videos start gaining views, you can monetize through ads, affiliate links, or even sponsored content. You can set up YouTube channels that generate revenue even while you're sleeping. The key is consistency and automation. Use scheduling tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to automate everything from tags to titles, so your channel can run while you're focusing on other things. Path number 3, digital products. Sell your knowledge without the hassle. Lastly, let's talk about selling digital products. This is an incredible way to leverage your expertise, passions, or even just ideas you already have. Creating digital products doesn't require inventory, shipping, or customer service. It's just you sharing your knowledge in a way that helps others. How can you get started with digital products? Number 1, create the product. Think about something you know well. Maybe it's a fitness guide or parenting ebook, a meal planning template, or even a video course. Whatever it is, package it into a simple, downloadable product. Number 2, set up a simple sales funnel. A sales funnel is basically a system where people are introduced to your product, given value, and then offered a way to purchase it. This is where you can set up automation to work while you're busy with life. Number 3, promote your product. Use social media, your YouTube channel, or even affiliate partners to get your digital product in front of potential customers. Digital products are great because once they're created, they run on autopilot. You create them once, set them up on your website, and boom, you're done. From there, you can continue earning monthly passive income even when you're busy doing other things. Now that you have the tools, the knowledge, and the strategies, let me tell you this. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment to start your online business. You can begin today, even with just 30 minutes a day. The key to success is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. These strategies are proven to work, and you can easily fit them into your life. Whether it's affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, or selling digital products, the possibilities are endless. And you don't need to sacrifice time with your family or quit your job to make it work. Starting an online business as a busy parent with a 9-to-5 job is absolutely possible. It comes down to choosing the right path for your lifestyle and goals. You don't need to quit your job or even work 8 hours a day to get started. Start small, automate what you can, and keep it simple. Affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, and selling digital products are all great ways to start generating passive income without giving up your free time. Remember, the real secret is consistency. You can start now, even if it's just a small step, and watch your business grow from there. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos on how to make money online, even with a busy schedule. And remember, it's time to be the reason for your own success. Y'all take care.